Ever dreamt of building wealth but felt intimidated by the stock market or traditional investment options? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of Raiz, a popular financial platform that's changing the way people invest. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is Raiz? Is it a bank? A robo-advisor? Something else entirely? Unpacking the Raiz mystery. Raiz doesn't fit neatly into one category. It's a fintech company, which means it uses technology to deliver financial services. In Raiz's case, that service is micro-investing. Think of it like this: traditionally, investing required significant sums of money. You might need a hefty down payment to open a brokerage account or a minimum investment amount in a mutual fund. Raiz throws that barrier out the window. With Raiz, you can start investing with as little as $5. Yep, you read that right. $5. So, how does it work? Raiz offers a variety of pre-built investment portfolios, each with a different risk tolerance. These portfolios are made up of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Think of ETFs as baskets filled with a variety of stocks or bonds. By investing in an ETF, you're essentially spreading your investment across multiple companies or assets, reducing your risk. Raiz versus robo-advisors. There's some overlap between Raiz and robo-advisors. Both use algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios. However, Raiz offers a more hands-on approach. You choose the portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, while robo-advisors may take a more automated approach based on your answers to a questionnaire. Raiz versus banks. Raiz isn't a bank. It doesn't offer traditional banking services like checking accounts or loans. However, Raiz does offer some features that might seem bank-like, such as automatic recurring investments and the ability to withdraw your money, although there might be waiting periods depending on the investment option. The benefits of Raiz. Here's what makes Raiz so appealing, especially for new investors. Low minimum investment. Start small and build your wealth gradually. Diversification. Spread your risk across different assets through ETFs. Convenience. Invest and manage your portfolio through a user-friendly app. Automated investing. Set up recurring investments and forget about it. Flexibility. Choose a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance and investment goals. Is Raiz right for you? Raiz is a great option for beginners or anyone who wants to invest with small amounts. However, it's important to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you have a short-term goal or are risk-averse, a high-interest savings account might be a better fit. Remember, Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Investing involves inherent risks, and the market can fluctuate. But for those who want to start building wealth for the long term, Raiz offers a convenient and accessible way to do so. Do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.